This is the way you wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. This is the way you wash your hands before you have your lunch.
This soap smells so good. I wonder what it tastes like.
No, Declan!
What?
Don't drink that!
But it's strawberry flavour, look.
No, it's strawberry scented, not strawberry flavour. That could be dangerous.
Pip's right. You need to be careful of liquids in the bathroom and the kitchen. Bleach and sprays are things that you shouldn't touch as they can hurt you. Medicine can be good for you if you are sick, but you should never, ever, ever take medicine that wasn't given to you by an adult because it can make you really unwell.
From now on, I'll only use soap for my hands.
That's a good idea, Declan. Now, would you rather have strawberry flavoured soap or soap flavoured strawberries?
That's a tough question.
Yeah.
I know it's not a good idea to eat soap, but if the strawberries don't taste like strawberries and they taste like soap, are they still strawberries? Would I like them? Are soap flavoured strawberries juicy? And what type of soap are we talking about? Is it like the hard type of soap or this type of soap, like the squidgy type soap? Maybe I'll have to go on the internet to find the answer. That's a great idea. Yes.